Hi class, welcome back. Today is Friday, February 5th, 2021, and I'm your favorite teacher Lenin Castro. Well, today what we're going to do, or what you're going to do, is only listen to the story. And I'm going to tell you a fairy tale, and you're going to listen to it. Nothing more, nothing less. So, why don't we start? The tale is called The Fisherman and His Wife. Okay, there was once a poor fisherman who lived with his wife in a hut by the sea. Every day he went to fish in the sea with his rod and line. One day he caught a huge flounder who begged to not be killed. "I'm an enchanted prince," it said. "It wouldn't taste nice at all. Put me back in the water." When the fisherman came back home empty-handed, his wife scolded him. "Haven't you caught anything today?" "Nothing but an enchanted prince, replied the fisherman. "And didn't you ask for a reward? Go back, you fool, and ask for a house." "Flounder, flounder, come to me," called the fisherman, and the magic fish came back. "I'm sorry, but my wife wants a new house in return for saving you." "Go home," said the flounder, and the fisherman went home and found his wife in the sweetest little cottage. But the wife wasn't satisfied. "Go back and ask for a castle," she demanded. So the fisherman went back to the sea and called the flounder again. "Flounder, flounder, come to me." When he got to his home this time, he found a huge castle with towers and drawbridge. "This is more likely," said his wife. But before long, she sent him back to the sea again. This time she wanted to be the king. And that night, the fisherman returned to a king's palace. Next, the wife wanted to be the emperor. When the fisherman got back from that errand, he couldn't hardly find his wife in the vast imperial palace. She was surrounded by guards and servants. Surely you are happy now, wife," pleaded the fisherman. She thought for a bit and then she said, "No, I want to be God." The fisherman went back to the flounder with a heavy heart. "She wants to be God," he whispered. "Go home," said the flounder. And when the fisherman returned home, he found his weeping wife back in their poor old hut. And that's it. That's the whole story. On Monday we're going to talk about it. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video and see you on Monday. Have a nice weekend and